As far as you have a mobile phone or a laptop with an internet connection, there are so many possibilities to make money online right here in Ghana. Not only am I going to show you how to make money online, but I'm also going to show you how I make $5,000 a month with the topics I'm about to mention. I've also included how you can also start making money online in Ghana if you're a total beginner or you've never made money online. Make sure to watch this video to the end because I have included all the techniques and the steps in how to make money online right here in Ghana. And this video is not about wasting your time filling out surveys to get pennies and cents. But in this video, I'm going to show you the real jobs that can make you thousands of dollars online monthly. Like the video, share to your friends, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and if you want to learn everything about how to make money online the right way. Note that this video is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It takes patience to make money online, and you can also make it happen. Because if you set up these online jobs I'm about to show you, it can pay you for years and into the future. My name is Benjamin, and you're welcome to Pickings Up. Let's dive in. So the first way to make money online is to become a freelancer. This is by selling your skills as a web designer, graphic designer, video editor, audio transcriber, and so on. So you can sell your skills on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer.com, People Per Hour, and many more. But my favorite is on social media. So I am a web designer where I sell my skills on my website via social media like Facebook and Instagram. So as a freelancer web designer, I made over 120,000 Ghana cedi on my website via Facebook and Instagram. So I create website and mobile apps for companies and individuals who want websites and mobile apps. So what I do is I post the skills that I have on my social media pages. So you share it with your friends and family to let them know this is the work that you do. You are a web designer, you're a graphic designer, you are a video editor, you are a transcriber, and you let them know that if anyone wants to engage in the skill that you have, they should contact you. So you can also promote your social media pages on, let's say, Facebook and Instagram, and you get a lot of individuals or companies contacting you for the type of work that you do. So you can spend some money on paid ads and you will be able to get a lot of customers contacting you via WhatsApp or calls to get their jobs done by you, which is very convenient. So with the online platforms, you can also be posting your ads on Fiverr, Upwork, People Per Hour, and so on. So with the freelancing, you can start making money right away, selling your skill on these platforms that I've mentioned. I'll put the links in the description below so that you can sign up from these links and also start making money online. So for the duration to make money on this platform, it all depends on how your business is. If you have a skill, that is fine. You can start making money online right away. If you do not have a skill, I suggest you start from YouTube, go and learn a skill. There are so many professions that you can start learning without any fees. You can start with web design, start with WordPress. You can also be a graphic designer, learn Photoshop, learn Canva. Even you can make money online on Fiverr just by editing thumbnails or creating thumbnails for YouTubers. So you can contact YouTubers in Ghana and tell them, let's say you're a graphic designer and you can help them with their thumbnails, or you can even edit their videos for them. And I think you start making money right away by getting in touch with the YouTubers or any other person or influencers online. And I believe you're going to make money by just selling your skills online. So the second way to make money online is e-commerce. So with e-commerce, you can be selling your own product or be drop shipping it. So to sell your own product, you can set up a website using WordPress and WooCommerce, or you can use Shopify to set up a website. So you set up a website, then create your social media pages, then start posting your product on social media pages for free traffic, or you can pay for ads to sell faster. So the dropshipping is the process of selling an item without keeping it in stock. So you select a product, you create a website for it. Then anytime your customers buy from your website, you go to the supplier and buy the item from the supplier. Then the supplier ships your item to the customer directly without having to touch the stock or having to deal with shipping and any other thing. So you can start dropshipping by selecting the product that you want to sell. Go to AliExpress, select a niche product that you think it's selling. You can look up for a product that are trending on Facebook, or you can use research tools like Niche Scrapper and other research tools that can give you trending products. I'll put the link in the description below for all these tools to check them out. Then you create a website for your dropshipping store using WordPress or Shopify. So with WordPress, you don't deal with a lot of payments like Shopify. So with WordPress, you can get a domain name and hosting. Then you go to AliExpress and select the product that you want to sell. You can also use a tool like Ali Dropship. I'll put a link in the description below to check them out. The Ali Dropship gives you the opportunity to link product from AliExpress, import the product directly onto your website without manually copying and pasting the product name and pictures onto your website. With the Ali Dropship, you easily import everything from AliExpress to your website without any hassle. You can also use Shopify to do the same way. But with Shopify, you pay a huge sum of money to start. So think about this too, either using WordPress and Ali Dropship, or you use Shopify to create your website. So you can really make a lot of money with e-commerce, either selling your own product online or dropshipping items from China and selling it on your website. So if you want me to show you how to dropship from AliExpress, then let me know in the comment section below. If you really want to make money online, then dropshipping is the right way to make money online in Ghana. So the next way to make money online in Ghana is blogging. So with blogging, you can make money online with advertising agencies like Google AdSense, Mediavine, Ezoic, Media.net, and many more. You can also make money with your blog by writing sponsored posts. So someone can contact you and tell you that they would like you to write an article about a specific product or a specific story that they want you to write about. So that's another way to make money with your blog. You can also make money through affiliate marketing, which is also a big topic that I will talk about. So to start blogging, you have to choose a niche that you are passionate about, that you want to write. So it can be food, health, relationship, or any other topic that you want to talk about. Then you buy a domain name and web hosting. So just to wonder series, you can buy a domain name and web hosting in Ghana here from iReadMediaHost.com. When you start writing your article, you should have about 10 or more articles before you can start getting advertisements from Google AdSense onto your website. So if you want me to show you how to create a blog and how to make money on blogging, let me know in the comment section below. So blogging is not difficult. So you can be a niche article writer, or you can even write news article to make money online. So either you are a full-time worker or a part-time worker, or even a student and you want to make money online, I think blogging is the best way to make money online fast. Even though it takes time for you to make money with blogging, but I bet it is one of the easiest way to make money online in 2022. If you can't write the content yourself, you can use AI tools like Jasper or Copy AI to write your articles for you without any hassle. I'll put the links in the description below to check these tools out. So you can make a lot of money blogging every month. So with my 2 blogs, I make over $1,000 a month just writing articles. The next way to make money online in Ghana is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of earning a commission, promoting a product or services by an individual or company. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to monetize your blog or your YouTube content. So with affiliate marketing, you can make thousands of dollars every month promoting product or services by companies like Amazon, Jumia, and many more. So to start affiliate marketing in Ghana, you need to choose a niche that you are passionate about or you have more knowledge about. Then you select an affiliate program to join. You then create a content for the affiliate program, either by blogging or video content. Then you then direct people to the affiliate link that they've given you. So when they are able to successfully purchase the item from your link, then you make a commission. So you can make commissions from 1% up to even 75% from one product or service that you refer. So if you're a food blogger or a food YouTuber, what you can do is you can register Amazon affiliates or Jumia force, then you refer people to Jumia or Amazon for the things that you are using to cook your food or any niche that you are into. It doesn't matter whether you are a full-time worker or you are a student. Affiliate marketing is one of the best ways to make money online. And I have made a lot of money promoting web hosting because I am a web designer. I promote web design plugins and other softwares that I use to my audience. So if you are benefiting from this video, make sure to smash the like button right now. YouTube is another way to make money online. So there are many ways to make money on YouTube. You can be making money from the YouTube partnership program, which involves you getting 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you can start getting money from YouTube. Averagely, it can take you about 1 whole year to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time before you start getting money from YouTube. But there are other ways to start getting money on YouTube without waiting for 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. You can start creating YouTube Shorts. So with YouTube Shorts, you don't need any monetization policies like getting 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of watch time. You can start posting YouTube Shorts and you can be getting up to $100,000 on YouTube just for posting YouTube Shorts. You don't need to make your own videos. You can copy other videos and make YouTube Shorts. Make sure to read the YouTube Shorts policies before you start posting on YouTube. So another way to make money on YouTube is by selling products or services. So you can sell your own product on YouTube by, let's say, if you're a food blogger and you are making videos on food, you can be selling your services by cooking for people on occasions or selling products that you have to your audience. The third way you can make money on YouTube is affiliate marketing. So you can be promoting other companies' products or services for a commission. You can also make money on YouTube with sponsorship. So with sponsorship, a company can contact you to make a video for them, like me being a web designer. So I have a web design channel where I teach about WordPress. So companies contact me to do a video about their plugins that they have. They can pay you from $10 up to $1,000, depending on the type of product or service it is. The last way you can make money on YouTube is through subscriptions. So you can let your audience subscribe using Patreon. Let's say you can be giving one-on-one coaching to subscribers by signing up on Patreon subscription so that they can pay you monthly for the services that you give to them. So the next way to make money online is online courses. So you can make money online by selling your knowledge through courses online. So before you create an online course, make sure you have strong knowledge in whatever you're about to teach. You can create your courses online using system.io. I'll put a link in the description below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel so that I show you how to create online courses on system.io. You can also create your online courses using Thinkific, Teachable, Udemy, and many more. So there are so much possibilities creating your online courses. You can create courses from web design, graphic design, social media marketing, and anything that you have knowledge about, even with food. So if you are a food blogger or a food vlogger, you can make money selling your secret tips on how to cook nice foods and how to generate money as a food blogger or food blogger online. So the last but not the least is crypto investment. As at June 2022, we are in a bear market where all crypto prices have gone down, and this is the chance to buy low and sell high when crypto goes to the bull market. Register on Binance with the link in the description below to start investing in crypto. So you can also make money by crypto staking. So with crypto staking, I made a video on how to stake cryptocurrency on my channel. Check the link in the description below for videos, or check my channel to see how to make money staking on Binance. So the last tip I'm going to talk about is Forex trading. So this is just a bonus tip. You can really make money online with Forex trading. It takes so much time to learn Forex trading, but you can join good Telegram groups where they give signals to start trading and making money online just by copy trading whatever they have. So when they give you a signal that you need to sell gold at a specific time or specific price, you can do that by following their signals, and you can make a lot of money by just giving you a good signal. But before you join these Forex trading signals, make sure you understand what Forex trading is before you get into it. With the likes of Forex, Dela, and so many Forex traders in Ghana, you can really make money online by just trading Forex. I have already joined some of these groups and I'm making money on Forex trading. So you can start your Forex trading journey by signing up to Xnest. I'll put the link in the description below to register Xnest and start trading. I'll also put a link in the description below to join some of the free signals that provide Forex trading signals. Make sure you understand Forex trading before you join Forex trading signals. I am not a financial advisor and I will not take the blame if you lose your money with Forex. But without this, there are so many ways to make money online. If you don't understand Forex trading, you can choose from the number of online jobs that I've given you, and I bet you are going to make a lot of money online. You can quit your job and work full time as I am doing right here in Ghana. Make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this on how to make money online and cryptocurrencies. See you in my next video.